wish it a bush. People. Somebody look at them garments over there, so. Tree there from in there, so. See them banana tree right to too. Yeah, man. Which part of foreign you can see them thing there? Yeah. Okay, man. Yeah, man, we just go on. Walk on a vlog. We so pass back. Oi. Let's lad. Oh, they. So rich. Ooh. So rich. Welcome to leverageboss TV. Now, today's episode, we're going to do a rural walk. The last time we did this walk before Hurricane Melissa, so we're going to walk through the place and see what's going on. Okay, guys? So take a stroll with me and see what's going on. We're just going to show the area of the bushes and the trees and the birds and the fish in the sea. Well, no fish in the sea, but you don't know a thing. So I just walk and take a stroll in the community. You see me? Right now the community called Round Hill. And we are going to see how far we make it to. You know? So, let's go. Now we have to stay hydrated with calm water, so. But right now, people, I don't know if you can see, but right now, the space up there so never there, so the whole leaf then gone. You see me? Oh, there's a space, so I guess from the hurricane time it do that thing there. Clear out up there, you can see a whole heap of little, you can see through certain part. Oh God. So we are walking, go up one little hill and walk and make a, I don't think I show the U-turn part, but we just walk until we say we don't walk, you see me? Yeah, man. You know, leverage all the vibes. Rural walk, so who miss country, I miss the cow them, I miss the goat them. You hear the hog? Miss the hog them. Yeah, man, I get a chance to see all of that. You know. Yeah, man. So one thing with country life, you know. You see with country life, man, with country life, down there here, nothing to go on, it's peaceful. You see me? Yo, what go on? There, man. You want a little walking vlog, you know? Yeah. So you don't know anything, go? Walk on a vlog. Alright. Look pine tree. You know, you can see them banana tree there from in there, so. See them banana tree right to too. Yeah, man. Which part of foreign you can see them thing there? Which part of foreign you can see them banana tree there? Thus, there, rural area. Which one you can see cow? Yeah, man, rural walk, man. Don't know anything go. Boy, people, the camera person, afraid of cow. So come in. No, we not pay them for free that cow. Or we pay them highly. So they have to brave up. It costs a lot, you know. A lot of payments. That's a leverage, man. Yeah, man. So looking at here, look through, show the surrounded camera person. Just go and show and see where I go on. Walk and show the whole area where your eyes can see, you know, because they want to see, you know, they just want to see the road and they want to see community in a way. But we not go show people if them know want they on the camera because they don't know sign of them yard in there. So we just a walk. Just a walk. Chart the journey. Rural walk, you know? Yeah, the last time I did a rural walk, me do one the same place, but I mean the place, like I say, cause we there, oh, did I say we were in St. Elizabeth? Yes, this is St. Elizabeth, guys. I tell you the Rownhill, but we never state which parish. But this is Rownhill, you know, say Melissa hit over them part differently. But, you know, people are built up on things. Rownhill so not look too bad. But people them build back them thing and develop it, you know? Yeah. So, that's a thing, man. We just a walk, we just a stroll, we just a exercise, and I do the thing. So basically this is just a walking, exercising vlog and I show you what me I see for the evening. Yeah. Nice little quick walk, man. Nothing too crazy. Who they are foreign, who say, oh, Jamaica looking at a rural area, certain part. This is how it come on. You see me? People them have develop them thing and I try to build up them thing to see them likewise. Who knows? Last time I walk go up there so I walk back up there so and see still where I go on. A rough little hill, you know, but we are check it out same way. Cameraman, my mic work good? Okay. Okay. That alone more I know. You see me? Nice little evening walk, man. Not hot. Cause I not tell you, I not tell a line of people. You see that sun down here so? The sun down here so not normal. And morning time or daytime, the sun a beat. Because in the summertime, the weather right now, so you know it a beat. Yeah, man. Hello. So, ladies, say somehow, no, X they a fly. You can see it, the jankro. Yeah, so the X they a fly. Yeah. That is it. We are walk and a stroll, man, and I check out where I go on. Nothing but bushes, nothing crazy to see. That is leverage boss TV way, you know. That is leverage. We so widespread of things. Various things. We don't have a one set thing, you know, people they must say on YouTube you need to have a niche. But my niche is what I see is what you get. How I feel for do. You see me? That I leverage. So you hear me say leverage, leverage, leverage? That is leverage. The way you feel. Yeah, man. So, where I get like a phone, I walk go up the hill. Where I walk go up the hill. That's I go foot get the nerves and pumping in your foot, you know. Yeah, man. See if we can walk. See, hill, like a steep hill where I walk go up, you know. People, see you say camera person, I go run up there. Alright, come in, I walk in thing. Yeah, dog them. When you see beautiful hill, where I walk go up. Yeah, man. People in Florida don't know nothing when name hill or mountain. Oi, no sir. I thought I knew what I was doing, but this hill is too steep, man. Woo. I feel like my foot them a slow down. Oi, I'm pull up my pants. This is normal. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, man, people in Florida don't know nothing about them sitting them view there. They wake up to them view and look on the hills and the mountain, man. Nothing nice like this, man. You see me? Bomba. You not tired? Bomba. No, sir. People, my foot them weak. I remember could manage a next hill video. Like the one of me do first. Turn all, man. Ooh. Too much driving, man. More walking. People feel like me a strain. Oi. Oi. Less lad. Oh, they. Oh, they. So reach. So reach. Ooh. So reach. Cut. Oh my God. No, sir. Whoa, we're so rich. We're so rich. We're basically rich. Hey man, this good more time people. No let go the car and the motorcycles. More time of them things when you just get up and just walk because you can't walk because not because you don't have a vehicle, you just do it. Hey man, them things they're not good, you know. Them things they're not good at all. Matter of fact, yeah. Give me the view there. Give me that view there. Walk beside me, man. Yeah. Give me that view there, man. Yeah. So, that we are the leverage nation. We just a walk, you know. Nice, quiet. Look like a Sunday, but far from that. Think today is a Friday, I think. But yeah, quiet walk, man. Them things are not too going at them places, you know. I would like that, I like that. I don't like the busy thing. I don't like Kingston. I like quietness, I like slowness in certain events on a daily basis, but I dey out there, man, and there and I look up in the sky, man. You see all I star them, man. See the Orion's belt. You see everything in the sky, you know? Yeah, she's shooting star upon a regular. People if you don't know much star drop at night time when they're surprised because only in the light. When you don't see it, but anytime they in them place are pitch black and no light. When you see everything, man. Yeah. Whoa. I was still a walk go up on a little hill too, you know. But sure. So you go. Just a walk. Just a go on a rural walk. Something fun to look fun. Yeah, man. I think nobody know them here, cause but they say, yeah, but me come from around here, so who knows knows. Yeah. Yo, refreshing. Ooh. Yeah, man. So people will just walk and go to a destination. So just enjoy the bushwalk, man. And see where I go. Just sit on my phone and see and see how Jamaica look. How St. Elizabeth look. After the months them after Melissa. Ooh, exercise, man. Ooh. People, if I do them a thing I don't fit, man. If I do this every day and I fit something wrong. Exercise did in himself. Watch you know, camera on, look. You see somebody a fast and way out there, so. Way out there, so you see somebody a fast. Yeah, man. I saw them staying in people, country people. It was for their community. Yeah, man, they know if I speak to, look through the bush, hear through the bush, everything through the bush. Bush whisperer, you know? Watch you know. So Jamaican driver skill. Drive on the road are fine. Some people can never drive on the road. Yo. Come in. Yeah, man. Yo. We walk go back park. I tell you if you for walk back. I see if I can even get to another one. But I see if I could get back and ride go back, I'm tired. I make the camera and find a way back home. Yo. Yeah. You know the thing go. Oh, I know the fast woman, you know. Finally built up. Mango. Kaki wagon. They are walking a vlog, man. Wagon. There, man. Yeah. Yeah? There, man.
see if you go van first night and I say, I think I went for come.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, you see.
Oh, no, man. Yeah, yes, let me follow. Go on.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Eh. Hello, lady. Go on. Yeah, good?
Yeah, so far.
Alright. Hello. You're over general.
Easy.
Eh.
Let's see if you go cross it. Oh, sorry, you're forward.
Yeah, man, I'm moving forward, man, you know. I go in here, and I see some fest tomorrow. So I'm just there, I'm just go on. So I don't know. Oh, I'm just there, I walk, man, I show you a place, man, I vlog it out, you know. Exercise. So me.
You're there, soon touch up on the front there.
Alright, so me walk past what, man. Mango and the Julie. There, man. Yeah. Okay, man. Yeah, man, we just go on. Walk and a vlog. We so pass back. Yeah, people. So, see where I go on. Wow, we just a walk. Look how me at right now. I'll be a bike man right there, so right now I could really get a ride, go back still. Hombre, that's a neighbor, you know. Live right next to the house we're at, man. Yeah, so I get a ride, go right back there. But yeah, man. Oh my God. So we don't know, we just have to walk over there, so people, for maybe 2 more minutes, and then we'll see where I'm going. Oh God. Exercise this man. I wish it a bush, people. Somebody look at the left hand garments over there, so. I wish it a bush. Oh, that is the part earlier. You see where I go on? Find a bush and find one of them. One of them leaf there. I sound like a pro though, but never did it before, people. Just what I interpret it to be, you know? Yeah. Walk man. Walk with us. This, a matter of fact, the road that lead to right back to a big circle, you know, you can walk, go around and lead back to, where you call it, you know, mountainside. Banting. Yeah. See where you going now, people. Whew. Good exercise, you know? Oh man, I sweat. People, when you can see sweat. Good exercise is name. See where I go. Look up in the hill. They close to it. Look like the part is easy for walk, but that's hard, you know. Look like you can just easily just cut you right there, so. And go and reach up there, so. I mean, right, that's a look easy still. You know, the first time you walk up the hill, I wish for the beginning of the video, which I'm going to show you the cutout part of the hill. Me walk straight up the road there, and reach up on top. But me never, a matter of fact, me have it on video, but I can't, it was so long ago, the video I have, it was I think a tablet, I don't have the charger for the tablet. I can use find it and maybe upload it back, but yeah. I think now the video see somewhere else, you know, maybe I find it, I don't know. But that video there, with more crazy, me I tell you, because it have lightning. I flash up there at the time and everything. I have to walk power on our foot to go up on top, I think. But the one we only see now for the first hill video, the one that is more not dangerous. Yeah. So look right now. Look people, look out there. So. We're up on a little hill now. Up on way out there so and look over there. So. Beautiful view, man. I see the sun has set over there, so. Yeah, man, so this, imagine you're there right now and just a meds and a look and I say, yo, alright. This is life, country life, beautiful green. All you see are green around you. Who not like that, man? But know the retiree, them want to come to Jamaica and want a place. Them would man have something like this. The only thing probably next them want there besides some water. But nothing nice like this, man. Coconut tree, everything. But people, this is the rural walk. We have come to an end. I don't walk no more. You see me? So hope you like it. Nice to go walk in the sweat. Cause basically nothing really. I'm say we are go down in a circle and reach way down on one part and the walk there gonna be crazy. So just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Leverage Boss TV people. I'm out. Leverage.